Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to create Google Class. For this purpose you need to download Google Classroom app from Play Store. After downloading your Google Classroom app, you can create different classes. And today I will show you how to create class in your Google Classroom. For this purpose, you need to open your Google Classroom. Now, if you want to create a new class, then you can see at top side Google Classroom name is written. Just next to that name you can see small plus symbol is there, and that symbol we can use to create our new class. So now I will click on this plus symbol. Now it is showing me two options: join class and create class. If I am a student and I want to join the class, then I can use join class option, which I have shown in my next video. Now I am a teacher and I want to create class. So I will click on this create class option. After clicking, it is showing me some message and information about Google Classroom. So I will click on this. I have read and understand above notice, and I am not using Classroom at school with student, because basically Google Classroom is developed for college students. For school students, G Suite application of Google is already there. So now I will click on this checkbox and I will click on continue. Now class creation page has been opened. You can see create class, and now it is asking me class name and it is required, that is compulsory. So I will give name e content preparation class. You can also give name as FYBSc, SY, TY, MA, MCom, MSc as per your class. So in this demo lecture, I will give name as e-content preparation class. If I want to give section, then I can type in section, but it is not required or it is not compulsory. It is optional. So you can type in section or you cannot type in section. Same way room and subject. Suppose I am creating FYBSc class and only for my subject, then class name would be FYBSc and subject would be botany paper 2, and in general the class name would be FYBSc, SYBSc or TYBSc. So in this page class name is compulsory. Other options such as section, room and subject are optional. They are not compulsory. So after typing your class name, you can see at right hand top corner create option is there in blue color. You will need to just click on create option, and after clicking Google class will be created. So now I will click on create. Now it is creating my Google class. It will take few seconds to create my Google class. It is also sometimes dependent on internet speed. If you are having high speed internet, then your class will be prepared within a few seconds. Now you can see my class has been prepared. It is showing title e-content preparation class. Now I will click on these three lines at left hand side top corner. So you can see my information about my class. So I will go back and you can see under my classroom home page e-content preparation class has been added. So this is how you can use this plus symbol in your Google Classroom to create your class. I will show you once again. After opening your Google Classroom, you just need to click on this plus sign. After clicking, you need to open create class. Click on this checkbox. Continue. Type the name of class FYBSC. You can give section, room, subject as it is optional. After typing your class name, you can just click on create and Google Classroom will create your class. So this is how you can use your Google Classroom to create your classes. It is little bit dependent on internet speed also. So now my FYBSC class has also been created. I will click on back. Now you can see e-content preparation class which I just prepared few minutes before, and this FYBSC class. So this is how you can use Google Classroom to create your classes. Thank you.